Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here around a bit on the freight line, and because I cannot find a station on the freight line, so I'm just standing here and I'm going to be filming freight trains at speed on tilt as well. My friend does not own all of the freight trains, only 3 of them. So, you know, that is quite sad. But anyways, enjoy. We have a freight train. Yes, this video will be pretty short. Alright, at 100 miles an hour, we have another freight train. This train's traveling at about 105 miles an hour. Alright, this is going to be the last freight train. $75 miles an hour. Hope you guys enjoyed this series. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next vlog. See ya.